Today I am going to take the rest part of the proxy server, in which I will tell you how to install or set up the proxy server. And it is very necessary for you to protect your computer or Androids or your several setup by using the proxy server. Here's how to set up your Windows PC to use a proxy server on Windows 8 or Windows 10. It's depend upon you which window you are going to use. Press the Windows plus I key simultaneously to access the Windows setting menu. On Windows 10, click Setting Network Internet Proxy. On Windows 8, click Setting Network Proxy, which I will show you just now. Under the Manual Setup section, Setup Use Proxy Server toggle to on. Make sure the automatically detect the setting toggle is on or also on. By default, Windows automatically check to see if your business, school or local network already has an automatic proxy server setup ready to run for you. If it does, Windows tells you its name and encourages you to follow its instruction. Assuming that Windows find a proxy setup, set the use setup switch to on. And here look at this way you will get automatically detect the setting, use it on, use setup script on. And I am showing you how to do it. Press Window key plus I key, then you will get a network. Here you will get a proxy. Then here you will say automatically detect setting and use setup script. Here you have to write the script address and then you will get automatically proxy setup. I am just leaving it. I will set it after some time. And manual proxy setup, use the proxy server for Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. This setting don't apply to VPN connection. And manual setting VPN connection पे नहीं allow. Use a proxy server off or on. But I am using VPN, so I am not setting it. Come back on the tutorial and get how to do the manual setting in Windows. This is your setup automatic. This is the picture. You on all these two setup. Enter the script address and click save. Congratulations, you done and ready to proxy. As you give the address, then it will give you a proxy script. How to manually set up a proxy in Windows 8 or Windows 10. Now it's telling about the manual setup. As I show you, not every organization set up process automatically. If you need to set up proxy manual in Windows 8 or Windows 10, here how to do it. To access the Windows setting menu, press the Windows plus I key simultaneously. जैसा भी हमने किया था. On Windows 10, clicking setting network and internet proxy option will get you proxy. On Windows 8 system, you click setting, then you get network proxy. Scroll down to manual proxy setup and setup use proxy server switch on. Here you have to switch on the proxy server. Use a proxy server switch on and then give the address proxy.example.com and the port number 8888. Use the proxy server except for the address that is start with the following entries. Use semicolon to separate entries. और यहाँ पर सब कुछ सेट करके आगे हम बढ़ जाएंगे. In the address field, type the proxy server name or IP address. If the port field, enter the proxy port number. You can get these from your IT support tab. जो आपको सपोर्ट करने वाला है वो बताएगा. द प्रॉक्सी सर्वर इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द पासवर्ड. सेलेक्ट द प्रॉक्सी सर्वर. रिक्वायर पासवर्ड चेक बॉक्स. एंटर योर अकाउंट नेम एंड पासवर्ड इन द यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड फील्ड. क्लिक सेव. और जब आपको पता होगा, पासवर्ड बनाया होगा और उसको प्रोटेक्टेड होगा, तो उसको यूज करके आप कर सकते हो. दैट्स ऑल देयर इज टू इट. यू आर नाउ सेट अप to use a proxy server on the window. The next time you use the internet, you will be using the proxy server. And what is the benefit of proxy server? I told you yesterday that it is an intermediary and help us to protect our IP from the hackers. How to set up proxy in Google? Same way we can set the proxy from Google for Google. In Google Chrome, by default, Chrome use MAC OS of window proxy. To change your proxy setting from within Chrome, take the following step. Open the Chrome toolbar and select setting. Scroll down to the bottom of the display. Click the show advanced setting. Scroll down to system and choose open your computer proxy setting. I will now see how it will do. Come to the Google Chrome. Here you will get the advanced setting. Here you get the setting. Then privacy and security. Here you will set the this is a window 10 now. It's telling about window 8. There is advanced setting तो आ नहीं रहा इसमें. ये setting नहीं तो आ रहा. ये आया पेमेंट मेथड, एड्रेस, पासवर्ड, ये सब आप यहाँ पे सेट कर सकते हो. साइट सेटिंग, ये सब आ गया. साइट सेटिंग में जाएं, हो सकता है यहाँ पे आ जाए. बिकॉज इट इज नॉट डिफॉल्ट ब्राउजर. प्रोटेक्ट कंटेंट यहाँ पे है. ये सब सेटिंग यहाँ से कर लो. वर्चुअल रियलिटी, ऑगमेंट रियलिटी, सिक्योर कंटेंट, PDF डॉक्यूमेंट, एडवांस ये है. यहाँ पे सिस्टम, एक्सेसिबिलिटी, सिस्टम, क्लीनअप, कंप्यूटर, ये है प्रॉक्सी सेटिंग. यहाँ पे जाएंगे हम और यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली डिटेक्ट सेटिंग कर देंगे तो प्रॉक्सी सेटिंग मिल जाएगी. और मैनुअली जैसे अभी बताया था, सेम जैसे उसमें किया था वैसे इसमें भी होगा. सो वी कम टू द आवर ट्यूटोरियल and set the. Now I show you how to set this. Scroll down to system and choose open computer proxy setting. राइट है ना. अभी वहाँ जाकर के ये सब सेट कर देंगे. ये आ रहा था देखो, ओपन योर कंप्यूटर प्रॉक्सी सेटिंग. वहाँ जाकर के प्रॉक्सी सेटिंग को ऑन कर देंगे. Next, go back to the instruction for your operating system listed above to set up your proxy server setting and follow them. In short, to set up a proxy server in Google Chrome, you are just doing the first few steps in the browser and then completing the process in a machine operating system. How to set up the proxy server in Firefox? Firefox में कैसे सेट करते हैं? Unlike the web browser, Firefox doesn't support to using your system proxy setting. You will need to change your proxy from within Firefox. Open Firefox menu and select option. Click on advanced icon. Select the network tab. In the connection settings, select auto detect proxy configuration for this network. When prompted, enter the proxy address. यहाँ पे आएंगे, ऑटो डिटेक्ट करेगा और वहाँ पे प्रॉक्सी एड्रेस डालेंगे. अल्टरनेटिवली कनेक्ट द सेटिंग, यू कैन सेलेक्ट यूज सिस्टम प्रॉक्सी सेटिंग. If you choose that option, Firefox uses the proxy setting in your operating system. तो वो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम से प्रॉक्सी सेटिंग को ले लेगा, उसको सेव कर लो, क्योंकि ये बोल रहा है कि दूसरे वेब ब्राउज़र की तरह से doesn't default to using your system proxy setting. You will need to change your proxy within Firefox. सिस्टम की प्रॉक्सी को उसके लिए यूज करना पड़ता है. हाउ टू सेट अप द प्रॉक्सी सर्वर इन इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट वेरी ओल्ड and please keep in mind that Internet Explorer is outdated web browser. Instead, switching to the browser that still receive regular update and support, such as Avast Secure Browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox or Safari. Though since quite a few people and companies still use Internet Explorer, you should know how to set things up when necessary. As with other browser, Internet Explorer default to using your window proxy configuration. Here, how to set up your proxy up from within Internet Explorer. Open Internet Explorer toolbar and select Internet option. Open the connection tab, select LAN setting. Check the use a proxy server for your LAN box. तो वहाँ जाएंगे, automatically detect the setting. वहाँ पे सेटिंग को डिटेक्ट करेंगे. यूज अ प्रॉक्सी सर्वर फॉर योर लैन and will not apply to dial-up or VPN connection. If you are using a VPN, then you don't use this. When prompted, enter the proxy server name and port name. Click OK to save your setting. How to set up proxy server in Android? With Android, you must configure a proxy setting for each network you use. In addition, the proxy will only be used by your web browser. Other internet applications may choose to use or ignore the proxy based on their own internal setting. This is another reason why VPN tend to be a better choice when you use one. It covers all the internet traffic from your device. तो कहते हैं बहुत अधिक काम के लिए आपको VPN यूज करना चाहिए. Virtual private network. Open Android setting tab Wi-Fi to view its list of Wi-Fi network. Long press the Wi-Fi network's name for which you want to change proxy setting. Tap modify network. Tap advanced option. अब यहाँ पे जाएंगे, वहाँ पे मैनुअल आ जाएगा. Tap manual to change your proxy setting. Enter your host name and proxy port. Or if you have a proxy auto configure pack file, select proxy auto configure and Android will prompt you to enter the pack address to save. Okay, so this way you can set up the proxy server on different platform which I told you just now. And today's lecture is finished, and now you have to read it and find it how to work in and how to set up the proxy server. And it is very essential for protection of your computer. So student and viewers, today I am closing. If you like this, then please subscribe and